Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak and understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have a cousin in Malaysia.
Do you know which place she was designated?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
You are healthy. How sure you are that you are healthy?
100%, ma'am.
Did you declare anything to to your agency there in the Philippines or do you have any sickness? No.
Oh, ma'am.
Sure, no. We don't want to have such a problem later. Okay? So
Yes,
please
ma'am.
don't give us trouble. If you have health issues in your body, just let us know. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose Malaysia because I heard that it is an open country. It is safe for OFW, and also I didn't hear any abuses cases in Malaysia.
Okay, please help me introduce yourself, please.
All right. My name is Shirley Rose M. Robles. I'm 29 years old. I live in Barangay San Rafael, Hinabangan, Samar. My birthday is December 17, 1995. I am single, no children. My weight is 53 kilogram and my height is 4'11". I had an experience working as a nanny of a 2 years old kid. I can perform different kinds of tasks like um, cleaning the house, do laundry, cooking. I can take care of pets also. And before, as a nanny, I also taking care of five members: the dad, the wife, the parent, and also two kids, which is the other one is 1 year old.
Okay, so thank you for your introduction. I would like to ask some few more details from you. What is your religion?
My religion is I am a Christian.
What about your educational background?
I graduated at a Bachelor of Technology, major in food technology.
Why you wanted to work as a domestic helper, knowing that you got complete your college? So you have a
Uh,
diploma, you're a bachelor in technology. Why suddenly you wanted to come here being a domestic helper, knowing that this job is very tough?
I would like to experience working abroad, and I do believe that working abroad is a great opportunity for me to learn new skills and knowledge, and also to gain experience working in different countries. And also, despite of having different um, degree to the job that I'm um, to the job that I'm applying right now, I I can still do the tasks that were given to me.
Okay, so 1 to 10, how sure you are that you wanted to work being a domestic helper? Because you need to sleep very late at night. You need to embrace the struggle. You need to embrace the pain. You need, of course, homesickness will frequently attack you knowing that this is your first time working abroad. Okay? So, also, um, homesickness, as I have mentioned. Do you think you can endure all of this?
Yes, ma'am. 100% I can.
Okay, so don't be Like for example, once you reach here in Malaysia, you will be culture shock. Houses here in Malaysia is very big. It is not such like same case in the Philippines. They got some 3-story, 4-story. So you need to clean the toilet. You need to clean the entire house. So do you think you can do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I don't have siblings, ma'am. I'm only child.
So you are the only child. Is your parents allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
think we don't have problem later to your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
So they allow you 100%.
Yes, ma'am. They are very supportive with my decision.
Okay, how old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 50, is already 53, and he is a construction worker, and my mother is 52 years old, housewife.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got a working experience way back 2020 to 2021 for 1 year and you take care 5 total family members inside the house and they got 2 children which is 2 years old and 1 year old, is it? And you also do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time. So what happened? Why you decided to not continue working to this employer?
Um, I decided to continue my studies and finish my degree. And after I graduated, I um, find job, not a new job.
Okay, what year did you finish your college?
Way back 2022.
After 2022, did you also have any working experience in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of job is it?
My previous job are I am a quality assurance associate and project assistant.
How many years you worked there or how many months?
As a quality assurance analyst, I work for 2 years and project assistant for 6 months.
Project assistant.
Assist- That's
What month did you work there? What month and year?
For quality assurance analyst, I started working July 2022, August 2022 to um,
Sorry,
July
August 2022 until?
August 2024.
So you worked for 2 years.
Ma'am.
So you work for 2 years as a quality assurance at the same time as a project assistant, right?
Uh, After I work as a quality
No,
assurance analyst,
because you graduated 2022, right?
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so and then you work as a quality assurance. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you worked there for how many months or what year? How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years also. August 2022 to August 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
And then project assistance, what year?
July 2024 to January 2025.
Because you mentioned that you work in quality assurance August 2022 until August 2024 for
Yes,
two
ma'am.
years. And you also work in project assistance July 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
How come?
Uh,
Because you
um,
finished your quality assurance on August 2024.
yes, ma'am. For August 2024, I work as work from home base. That's why I also work as a project assistant.
Okay,
Home
July
work.
2024 to January 2025, you work for 6 months as a project assistant. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, knowing that your field before is quite different from being a domestic helper, so you need to get ready yourself because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once breach contract, you know that there will be a consequences also, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or any cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so terms and conditions regarding usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Employer will going to compensate your salary once you will going to work on your rest day. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, as I have mentioned many times already. Don't give us headache, don't give us trouble, because in our initial interview, you already agree about our terms and conditions, okay?
Yes,
Always
ma'am.
remind yourself that this is not the Philippines. We need to respect the employer. We need to humble ourselves, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
All right, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.